Hey there peeps, mewmew here and welcome back to my channel, and today's video is sponsored by my compulsive instincts. So if you didn't watch my video back in July, I believe, for my Amazon Prime Day haul, you probably don't know what I'm doing, but today I am doing the first of kind of a review slash DIY video, which I've been kind of really wanting to do for a while. And so today we are going to be reviewing this Lip Balm Boutique, which allows you to DIY make, some cute little lip balms. And we're gonna try to see if I can figure out how to do this. Sometimes these kind of DIY kits, they don't actually provide you all the things that you need, but it's 8+, so I should be able to do this, right? It comes with 29 pieces, and you can make some tropical or cocoa lip balms, which sounds cute. I'm very interested because they do contain wax, so how am I going to be melting this wax is my first question. But, we'll figure that out. So let's start by actually opening this and taking all the contents out of this box. If I could even open the box. So we're taking things out. There's like, ooh. Oh, okay. This looks so interesting. These are the beeswax pastillas, I'm assuming. Carry on. So we have this Lip Balm Boutique guide here. It shows us what's in our kit, which is apparently the beeswax pastillas. It says that we have a lotion bar mold, which I'm assuming is just this little plastic container here. We have the 6 pods. Yes, we do. I'll have to choose some cute ones out of these. Oh, and it also has the little top thingy. Oh, what if I can refill mine? So we have the bottom, and we have the little insert thingy, and we also have the little tops. So it's really a 3-piece thing that you do. So I have assumptions of how this works, but we'll figure out if my assumptions are true or not. We don't know. So apparently also we have a silicone mold, which is somewhere in here. Oh, here, I guess. Let me open it. It just looks like a little little thingy. So, oh, here's the little gift bags if you want one, and they're purple. They're purple. And they actually match my manicure that I did myself. I want lots of money for that. And there's an extra little bottom here. I don't know why. I'm gonna put it there just in case. But here's a little silicone mold. I'm assuming this is where we're gonna put our wax in. I'm making a lot of assumptions here, but I have no clue. And we have the little sticker sheet. I assume we can put these stickers on our actual lip balms, but I have no clue. Okay, so let's see. We have the pod parts, the top, the bottom, and the insert, like we've talked about. You can mix them up. Ta-da-ta-da-ta. It is one of those kits. It's one of those kits that doesn't give you what you need. So you'll need a microwave oven. Be sure you have permission. Be sure you have permission. I don't have permission. Hold on. Hold on. We need to get permission. Danbear, can mommy use the microwave oven? Because mommy needs to make herself some lip balm, and mommy apparently needs to get permission. It says I need permission. Can I? Okay, thank you, Danbear. Thank you. Okay, so now that we have permission, we're good on this stuff. So we need a 1-cup microwave safe measuring cup. Okay, we'll find that in the kitchen, I guess. Maybe I need to ask Danbear if I can use the glass stuff. We need a blunt table knife or wooden stir sticks for stirring hot oils, flat clear workspace near the microwave oven for mixing and pouring. Wait, so we have to move to the kitchen? No, we're just gonna do it here because that's way too much work. Cookie sheet to protect your workspace. Okay, I'll bring a cookie sheet. I don't have a cookie sheet. Oh well, we'll put some plastic. We'll use this guide. This guide will be our cookie sheet for the day. Then we need, I mean, it's wax, come on, I think. Paper towels for cleanup, lots of, it says lots. I can't. We're gonna do the honey vanilla one. I'm gonna also try to find a lipstick I'm willing to kill off a little bit so we can have some color, and I'll come back with some melted stuff and we'll see if we can do this. So here we go. So after better reading the instructions, they apparently have to work semi-fast. So we're gonna do the things that we need to do. So we need a half a teaspoon of the wax, and we need not quite a teaspoon of the oil. So I chose to go with olive oil just because I don't have vegetable oil right now. So not quite. True. Let's pour in some more because it's not quite, we're stopping right there. So now I actually have to go melt this, and when I melt this I also have to add the special ingredients that will make my lip balm special. So I chose to go with the honey vanilla, so I'm going to be adding a droplet of Danbear honey, which looks cute because I mean burr. And we're also going to be adding this vanilla extract so we can have the honey vanilla, yay! So I'm gonna go melt this and then add the secret ingredients, but also I am gonna be assassinating this LOC, I think it's Lava Color Tati. It's a sample that I got with a Birchbox like a long time ago. It is a deep purple color. It's kind of pink. It's like purplish but also a little bluish. I really like it. And also I randomly have two of them because it came two in my Birchbox like ages ago. So that's the color we're gonna be sacrificing. So I will be right back with melted stuff. So, and apparently this next step is gonna take like 25 minutes to harden, but like I'm not gonna make y'all wait for that. So apparently the next thing I need to do, and you know, that also gave me comfort that I didn't have to work as fast, is that we need our silicone mold, one. And I attached one of these things to the bottom portion, which has the little rinds here. So it's attached. We're gonna pour the wax here. So we're just gonna progress to the next step, which is filling our little container here with the wax, and then we're gonna have to let it cool. So let's kind of pour it in here, and hopefully it doesn't fall over all the place, which it kind of did. So we're filled it in. And this is why you need like a measures. So, oh, it stuck to it. I didn't know that was gonna be enough. I guess. I mean, I feel like there's overflow, but I don't know what to do about that. I don't know what to do. Should I clean it? I don't know. I need an adult. What do I do? Okay, I'm sorry, desk. I'm apologizing to you, like right now. Oh, it looks like it's hardening. That's so weird. I'm trying to clean you. Look, it's hardening. That is so cool. So our lip balms are finally dry. Yeah, well, hard. They're finally hard. And I say lip balms because I did make another one just to kind of try things out, because I did notice that the bottom of it seemed a little like flat, and whenever it did dry up, which is here is our first one that we made. If we open it. Oh, it's backwards. You can see that it's a little flat. It has a little dimple in there, which actually that dimple would be there regardless because the silicone mold actually has that little circle in it. But yes, see, it has a little cute kind of pinkish tone to it. It actually has no color payoff whatsoever. I mean, it is kind of glossy, and I don't like that it smells like olive oil. I feel like I got no color payoff. I mean, I do have glitter on it now because I had wiped off my metallic lipstick so I could put this on. But it's interesting. I do have lip balm now and it smells like olive oil. I don't really know how I feel about that, but I was really, when I got the kit, I really thought that I could make the really cute shapes not because they showed us doing those lip balms in cute shapes, because they only showed us like the rounded one, and it does have a dimple on the picture, but I noticed. I thought we could be able to make these little flowery designs, which are in the soap mold, but you can only use them for the soap. So I was like, well, what if I want to make the lip balm in one of these? So I kind of Frankenstein this. So like I got the soap mold and I put the lip balm on there, and I put on the butterfly one because some of y'all know that my name means butterfly, but apparently some of the honey actually just stayed on the bottom of it. So like even though it has the kind of butterfly imprint on it, some of the honey is there, and I didn't actually add very much honey to it, and this one looks so much glossier. For me to get this color payoff compared to this one, because this one has butterfly texture, I really like that. So on this one I just have to be better about the actual wax that I put in. I can't allow it to get any like honey on it. It has to be just wax. So you can see this color payoff and this one. The difference between these is that this one just got like a ton of the actual what's it called, lipstick in there. I put more in it just because I assumed that it would give me more color, and it did. And let's see, I mean, I actually do get a little bit of color payoff on this one. I mean, it's still kind of not dry. I mean, it's still a little soft. Because I've mainly had this on the freezer, and I am very curious about these little non-frozen parts, which seem like they might not ever dry up, because I do think it's honey. But I'm gonna see if it dries up, because this one is the cutest. I might just remake it because of the butterfly pattern, because you can actually see that some of it is still on the mold, if it will actually focus on it. Some of it's still on the mold, but I'm glad I was able to do it. I don't think I would be able to do the same with the shell mold or the bee one. I could probably pull it off as well on this one. That is the flower design. So butterfly and flower, and so it's really cool. So I mean, this one I might remake it after a while. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. I guess I'll have to feel it out. But I did end up getting vegetable oil so I could do this one. And it doesn't smell the same way as that one, so I'm glad. It smells more vanilla. Using vegetable oil actually allowed for the vanilla to come out, the smell, compared to this one that the olive oil scent is like way too strong on this one. And I did want to call out that, you know, yes, I was a little hard on it because of the whole science thing. I do think it was kind of informative, because on the other side, it did have some information about what glycerin is. There's also, you know, talks a little bit about vitamin E and buzz on beeswax, kind of informative, and, you know, love your lips, telling you how to make some lip scrubs, you know, because beauty is important. And, you know, there's a little bit of lip balm science, and it just says, prove that oil and water don't mix, you know, pour water into a clear glass, and, you know, add some food coloring, and, you know, it kind of explains what's going on sciencey wise, you know. And it also tells you how to make the lotion bars, just because they do require like an extra ingredient. So I just, you know, I know that they make these science things and try to gear it towards girls, but in order to gear it towards girls, they feel they have to make it cute and, you know, like a beauty product. And I do think that, you know, it might attract some girls, but it might just make them think that that's all there is to science, or that you have to go into a science that is, you know, beauty related, which is not true. you can do whatever you want. You can go and build programs. You can go and build a robot. You can do whatever you want. There's so many exciting things out there that you can do. And it doesn't have to be all beauty related. I mean, beauty stuff is fun. I enjoy it, even though I'm out there doing different things than this. But, you know, there's more for the girl to try. And if you're a parent, let your child explore different things. It doesn't matter if you have a girl or a boy. Allow them, introduce them to all the different, you know, things that are out there. There's a lot of STEM related toys that they can play with. And, you know, making lip balms is not the most high-tech thing there is out there. And, you know, it might be like really good intro if you want to give your child. And, you know, I do like that there's at least one experiment here, but it's completely, well, not completely, but like it is unrelated to what you were actually making. Proving that water and oil don't mix, you know, and adding that to it. I mean, it's interesting, but it's not about the lip balm. It's not the science of the lip balm. All we know is put wax and some oils together and you'll get a good looking lip balm. It might be nutritious, and that's all you know. And it just, kids and STEM are like a very important thing to me, and I just hope that, you know, they make better things out there. I don't think I'm going to be using these lip balms, to be told. But if you want me to make you a lip balm and send it to you, let me know, and maybe I'll do that. But, you know, if you want to watch me live, check out my Twitch. The link's in the description. If you want to see more of my content, make sure to subscribe and do all those random things that people tell you to do. I hope to have more fun content coming up. Still doing the same stuff I do, but I am also expanding to try different things. Like, I do want to try my hand at polymer clay that I bought also from that Prime Day haul. I don't think I'm going to be making more lip balm. Maybe I will, but I'm going to try doing it differently because I know there's different ways to make lip balm. And since we have some wax, I mean, we might as well put it to some good use. But there's other fun stuff that I've been working on and want to do. So if you actually want to see me do something in particular or try out a different STEM related toy that is appropriated as something, you know, sciencey, let me know and I'll try it, because there's some ridiculous stuff out there. Teach your kids how to code. There's a cute little coding toys. Anyways. Thank you all so very much for watching. Thank you for being awesome. Have a great day. And until next time, meow meow.